Commission regarding po dun sa investigation nila sa dalawang cabinet secretaries na allegedly involved na po sa corruption. Sisibakin niyo po ba ito or will you keep them?
Nakita ko na, and they are investigating. I have yet to have the result. Alam ko na, kasi sa briefer ko, nabasa ko, yung one day na binasa ko.
Pero sir, sino-sino po itong cabinet officials at ano po yung corruption issue po na involved sila?
Wala makakong alaman, actually.
Wala pa sir.
I do not know of any. I should know, actually. If you are corrupt, kasi papatawag kita dito sa opisina and we'll have a one-on-one talk. Wala akong, kasi kung meron,